Majority of the investors who made money in real estate did so through land banking, where they bought property in strategic locations that are still developing, and then they had that property over a period of time. And when the value of that property now increased, they now decided to now resell that property, thereby making massive return on their investment. And if you're an investor watching this video and looking for genuine properties right here in the state of Enugu, where you can start land banking and then get massive profit in the future, then you know that this video is for you. Because in today's video, I'm going to be showing you three land banking opportunities right here in Enugu. Number one on the list is Thelux Garden Estate Phase 2. And now, why this property is very, very important is because of its strategic location. So this property is located in 9th Mile, right here in the state of Enugu. And if you are familiar with Enugu, you know that 9th Mile is known as the number one commercial and industrial hub in Enugu. 9th Mile is known because of the economic activities happening in 9th Mile. So we have top brand companies that are situated in 9th Mile, the likes of Nigerian Brewery, 7-Up Bottling Company, Coca-Cola Bottling Company, Aqualafa Bottling Company, and then many other companies also situated in 9th Mile. And why these companies are located in 9th Mile? Because of the massive development happening in 9th Mile, because of its strategic location. And this is also the same reason why Thelux Garden Estate is situated in 9th Mile. 9th Mile is known to have the best water right here in the city of Enugu. It is known to offer great accessibility for travelers who make use of 9th Mile to access other parts of Nigeria. And this property is located in 9th Mile. Currently, Thelux Garden Estate is selling for 4.5 million naira. But as an investor, you can start with a 1 million naira initial deposit where you get to spread the balance over the course of 3 months. By doing that, you might not be under financial pressure. And then this property comes with a deed of assignment and a registered survey plan. What that means is that the property is fully registered. It is genuine. It is free from all forms of litigation, and also it is verifiable at land registry. Each plot in this estate measures 460 square meters. That is enough space just in case in the future you want to develop on your plot. Now, if you're an investor watching, you know that this property is a property that is strategically located, that you will not want to miss this offer. When this property started selling at 2.5 million naira, but it's currently selling for 4.5 million naira. That goes far to tell you the massive appreciation that this property has witnessed. And as an investor, you will not want to miss this offer so that you get to enjoy the future appreciation that will happen in this property as the development in 9th Mile keeps moving. Now, the number two property is Evolve City Estate Phase 2. Evolve City Estate Phase 2 is located in Owo. If you are familiar with Owo, you know that Owo in recent time have witnessed massive development from 38-kilometer dual carriageway, which connects Enugu to the north central, that's Abuja, to the smart school, to the African Medical City, to the modern market, even the proposed Capstone University. There's amazing development happening in Owo, and this is why investors are rushing into that location, because one of the things that you need to understand as an investor is that you need to look out for fast developing locations and then move in early, position yourself and invest in that location, because when you invest at the early stage, you're going to enjoy the future massive appreciation that will be happening in such location. And that's why Evolve City is situated in Owo, because of the massive development happening. And now is the best time for you to position yourself. Evolve City is currently selling for 3.5 million naira. You can also start with the 1 million naira initial deposit when you get to spread the remaining balance over the course of 3 months. This property comes with deed of assignment and registered survey plan. Each plot in this estate measures 500 square meters. That is massive space for whatever you desire to do with your plot. And now the good thing about this property is that we are currently running a promo where you can buy 6 plots of land. So instead of paying 21 million naira, you can pay 19 million naira. That is a great advantage for an investor who wants to buy multiple plots of land. At least you can save yourself 2 million naira where you buy 6 plots of land. Now, the next on our list is what we call Silverstone Estate. So Silverstone Estate is located in Okwekenike, just along the Enugu-Nsukka Expressway. And now, why this property is very important is because of its strategic location. Now, if you are familiar with this Enugu-Nsukka axis, you notice that there's massive dualization happening in such location. The Enugu state government is currently dualizing the road, and the need is just to decongest the traffic happening in such location, and also to give more accessibility for people who make use of that location to access places like Makurdi, Benue, Abuja, and other parts of Nigeria. And this property is currently selling for a pre-sale price of 3.5 million naira. You can also start with a 1 million naira initial deposit and then get to spread the remaining balance over the course of 3 months. It comes with a deed of assignment and a registered survey plan. This property is also verifiable at Ministry of Land in case if you want to conduct a proper due diligence on it. And each plot in this estate measures 450 square meters. That is also enough space for you. And now, as an investor, you're thinking of where can I start land banking right here in the city of Enugu? And you are thinking from genuine properties. I mean, properties where you can buy. You're sure of not having any issues in the future. You're sure of not having any kind of land dispute or land litigation. Then these three properties are for you. So all you need is just to go ahead, call or WhatsApp the number showing on your screen. I will take you to any of these properties that are strategically located in amazing, fast developing locations. Then you can buy a plot or more while you get to enjoy the future appreciation that will happen in these properties. Then I look forward to seeing your call. My name is Obaleke Emmanuel. I'm a real estate consultant based in the city of Enugu. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and follow along for more. See you in the next one.